Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today we are finishing with our L50 words of advanced. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Lacrimose, Ashrupurit. The movie had a lacrimose ending that left everyone in tears. Lethargy, alasya. After a long day at work, she felt a deep sense of lethargy. Lucubration, Gehen Adhyayan. His late night lucubrations finally paid off when he finished the thesis. Languorous, Sust, Alsi. The hot afternoon made everyone feel languorous. Labyrinthine, bulbulaiya jaisa. The labyrinthine corridors of the old mansion were easy to get lost in. Larceny, chori. He was arrested for committing larceny at a local store. Lugubrious, shokpoon. The movie's lugubrious soundtrack matched its tragic plot. Languishment, kamjori, pida. His prolonged languishment led to poor health. Laconic, sankshipt, sankshepi. His laconic response left everyone speechless. Luminescence, deepti. The luminescence of the jellyfish was mesmerizing in the dark water. Legerdemain, jadoo ya chal. The magician's legerdemain left the audience in awe. Litigious, mukadme baz. He is known for his litigious nature and frequently sues people. Languor, thakawad ya mandata. After a long walk, a sense of languor overcame him. Levitating, akash mein udna. The magician amazed everyone by levitating above the ground. Ludicrous, hasyapad, murkhtapurn. The idea of a flying car seemed ludicrous to most people. Largesse, Sudarta Yadnan, the philanthropist's largesse helped build several schools in the region. Lexicography, Shabdakosh Lekhan. Lexicography requires a deep understanding of language and its nuances. Lacustrine, Jheel se sambandhit. The lacustrine plants thrive in environments near freshwater lakes. Lethargically, susti se. She moved lethargically after a long day of work. Levigated, chikna, pisa hua. The levigated powder was used to make the ointment. Loquacious, batuni. She is so loquacious that she can keep talking for hours. Levity, halkapan, tuchchata. His levity during the serious discussion annoyed the group. Liminal, simant. The liminal space between childhood and adulthood can be confusing. Labile, parivartanshil. His labile emotions often made it difficult for him to maintain relationships. Languidly, mandagati se. She stretched languidly on the sofa after a long day at work. Lustration, shuddhi, pavitrata. The priest performed a lustration ceremony to purify the temple. Luridly, bhadde tarike se. The movie depicted the murder luridly with graphic scenes. Levorotatory, my ghumane wala. Levorotatory compounds are important in certain chemical reactions. Lymphadenopathy. Lymph nodes ki bimari. The doctor diagnosed her with lymphadenopathy after examining her swollen lymph nodes. Linguistic, bhashai. She had a deep linguistic understanding of several languages. Lexical, shabdakoshiye. The lexical complexity of the language makes it difficult to learn. Lymphatic, lymph granthi se sambandhit. The lymphatic system helps in removing toxins from the body. Lugubriously, udasin tarike se. He looked at the old photographs lugubriously, remembering the past. Latitudinal, akshanshya. The latitudinal lines of a map help determine the location of places. Lambasting, alochana dhulai. The coach gave the team a lambasting after their poor performance. Latency, vilamb, nishkriyata. The latency of the virus in the body can cause long-term health issues. Lethargically, susti se. After a long day, she moved lethargically to the couch. Logoria, atyadik bolne ki sthiti. His logoria made it difficult for others to participate in the conversation. Libertine, vilasi, param swatantrata premi. The libertine spent his days indulging in excessive pleasures. Laxity, dhilai, kartavyahinta. The manager was criticized for the laxity in maintaining the deadlines. Lapidary, ratna visheshagya, Susanskrit. The lapidary worked for hours creating intricate designs on the gemstone. Lustrum, Panchvarsh. It had been a lustrum since they last met. Languorousness, alasya. The languorousness of the hot afternoon made everyone feel sleepy. Lacerating, ghav karna, katna. The lacerating remarks left her feeling deeply hurt. Labyrinth, bulbulaiya. The castle had a labyrinth of corridors that confused all who entered. Luminiferous, prakash utpanna karne wala. The luminiferous substance glowed brightly in the dark. Ludification, khel banane ki prakriya. The ludification of work processes has made them more engaging. Locomotive, engine. The locomotive pulled the long line of cargo cars across the country. Leptogenesis, sukshma utpatti. Leptogenesis can be seen in certain species that evolve in isolated environments. Lamentable. Dukhad ya khedjanak. The team's performance was lamentable as they lost every match. That's that for today, and I shall see you in the next one.